Siyempre, miss na miss yan. Biro mo, 15 years, 14 years, miss na miss yung asawa ko. Siyempre, ang mukha ni Janice de Belen, tsaga na lang. Salamat. Salamat.
Dear future, as this home was being built, our family gathered hopes, dreams, and gratitude into this message. Here we are gathered, here celebrating the groundbreaking of Mama's dream home, a milestone and a prayer answered. It's never been easy, sacrifices are made, tears are shed, and efforts has been made to fulfill this dream.
This house was built with heart, dedication, and hard works ng Valerio family to make this happen. And this presents a hope sa future na yung future generations ng Valerio can also make it happen.
Napakasaya sa feeling na nakikita mo ang fruits of your labor, the results of your sacrifices, no more what ifs. And then, we can finally say na, you did it. Congrats. Ito na ang pinakahihintay mo. So, di ka na rin mapapasana all. Just dreaming of it and making it into reality.
Kayo po ay aming malugod na wini-welcome sa simpleng groundbreaking nito. So on behalf of the entire Arcube Design and Build family po, we welcome you to this very historic event.
Sana matapos mo yung pangarap, kahit kumukontra ko. Sayang ang pera, pero ituloy mo lang kung gusto mo Salamat.
So on behalf of everyone, kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa tiwalang pinagkaloob niyo po sa amin. So ang may papangako namin sa inyo, sa tiwalang ibinigay ninyo, makakaasa kayo, kasama ninyo kami from day 1 hanggang project turnover.
For the future, may this home stand as a reminder that families are our foundation. May you always remember the love that was poured in building this home. May everyone who lives here feel loved, supported, protected, and inspired. And may future generations continue to build not just with concrete and wood, but with kindness, unity, and understanding.
Arcube Design and Build. The Lord is our foundation. Yay!